Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to clear cookies in the last hour in Chrome on your PC. It's a simple process that can help improve your browsing experience and protect your privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. On your computer, open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click on the three dots icon, then select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security. Step 4. Now, click on Clear Browsing Data. Step 5. In the Time Range box, click on the drop-down menu and select Last Hour. Step 6. Next, click on the box next to Cookies and Other Site Data to turn it blue. Step 7. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom, and that's it. You have successfully cleared cookies in the last hour in Chrome on your PC. Remember, regularly clearing your cookies can help maintain your privacy and optimize your browsing experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time.